Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for attending this presentation. And I'm Lidiani. I'm going to present the material about strategies for improving writing skills. And here what I'm going to talk about in this occasion. The first is that article writing the entitled Faculty Member Strategies to Foster Students' Learning Engagement in Writing Class. And the second article entitled Feeling Nature in Writing, Environmental Education in the EFL Writing Course. And the third, online back channel as a formative assessment in improving writing skills. And the last, I'm going to give a conclusion about strategies for improving writing skill from these articles. Now let's jump to the first point. An article about faculty member strategies to foster students' learning engagement in writing class. This research was conducted by Nurmalinda Maharani Fariska and Bambang Yudi Cahyono from English Department, Faculty of Letters, Universitas Negeri Malang in 2021. The purpose of this study was to find out the faculty member strategies by mapping out student perceptions of their experiences in writing classes with highly engaging environments. The study used a survey research design to find out the common characteristics of faculty member strategies to foster undergraduate students' learning engagement in writing classes by exploring the students' perception of their experience in writing classes with highly engaging environments. The researchers employed a purposive sampling method that involved 30 students from undergraduate students of English language teaching ELT at 5 state universities in Malang in Indonesia. The researchers collected the data through a questionnaire and an interview guide. The questionnaire was employed to collect some information on the level of students' learning engagement and the factors affecting their learning engagement through faculty member strategies used in the writing class. Besides, the interview guide consisted of 10 questions as a follow-up activity after filling out the questionnaire. It made something clear about some information collected that potentially can be investigated more in depth by the researchers. Now let's look at the ending of this research. There are 4 substantial categories that need to be implemented and considered by faculty members in writing class circumstances. The first one is learning management system. In determining the best activities to be carried out during one semester, faculty members weigh to offer some negotiation and discussion that involve how students in a class can establish students' learning engagement. Faculty members' way of associating themselves with their student affected the student's ability to learn best. And the second is materials. The students tended to actively participate in writing classes where they could bring their preferences in the process of selecting materials. They felt happy when the faculty members didn't obligate them to use a specific material only from the faculty members. They love to enrich themselves with some preferred material chosen by themselves as their supporting material to improve their writing ability. And the third is discussion. Students enjoy the faculty members creatively in giving constructive learning circumstances to improve students' writing performance and achievement by creating a valuable discussion section that allow them to ask, suggest, and interact with their friends. And the last is feedback. Feedback activity was categorized as the primary section that highly affected students' learning engagement. They rated this section as the most fundamental activity that gave a big impact to show that engagement level that was rated positively highly engaged. Specifically, faculty members' responsibility in allowing the students to correct, suggest, and discuss their confusion with other friends could achieve the students' self-expectations, self-reflection, learning goals, and positive motivation in writing accomplishment. And the second point is an article entitled Feeling Nature in Writing, Environmental Education in the EFL Writing Course. This research was conducted by Lestari Setiawati et al. From English Department, Faculty of Letters, Universitas Negeri Malang in 2022. This study is intended to investigate the students' level of environmental attitude, the students' writing performance when writing in environmental issues, and their opinion when writing about an environmental topic. The study uses a cross-sectional design. The researcher investigated participants' variable levels by using a survey, then proceeded with a qualitative test to gain more explanations. There were 23 freshman students in the Department of English at a state university in Malang, Jawa Timur, Indonesia. The students must take an essay writing course as a compulsory subject. The instruments to collect the data were an environment attitude scale questionnaire, a writing test, documentation, scoring rubric, and chat interview. Researchers find that concerning the environmental attitude, the result of the study showed that students have a moderate level of environmental attitude, 64%. Some of them have a high level of environmental attitude, 20%, and only a small number of the students have low environmental attitude, 16%. The result of the present study shows that the students' ability to write opinion essays responding to the environmental topic is satisfactory. The students' paragraphs in the body of the essay mostly are well developed. The result of this study also shows that students' essays are well written in terms of the completeness of essay elements and content-related discussion to the topic presented. The third result is the research implies, firstly, being a language teacher is not merely teaching about language, but also teaching the students how to use it for a meaningful purpose. One of them is to share their thoughts for disaster mitigation and nature conservation. And second, the field of literature and teaching is no longer a separate dimension in academic life. The use of literature for language teaching is beneficial because the students can have both literary appreciation and a chance to train their writing skills. To have more meaningful teaching and learning, writing teachers can select material with a life-based topic, such as the relationship between humans and nature. And now we are going to look at the third article, Online Back Channel as a Formative Assessment in Improving Writing Skills. This research was conducted by Entika Plastikawati et al. From English Department, Faculty of Letters, Universitas Negeri Malang in 2022. This research aimed to investigate the students' perception of online back channel implementation as a formative assessment in improving the students' writing skill in an English classroom. This research applied a mixed method, and the participants were 90 students from the 3 classes of a state junior high school in Semarang, Jawa Tengah, Indonesia, and The data was collected through questionnaires and semi-structured interview. Finding of this research are some important points of the students' perception of online book channel implementation in developing the students' English writing skill. The first, online book channel is a new way of informative assessment for expressing students' writing idea. Online book channel was an innovative and enjoyable way that helped them express their thoughts and ideas in writing easily. The second, students' writing motivation and confidence. Online book channel helped them eliminate lack of confidence and motivation in their writing. Their motivation was increased when they had read what their friends wrote in online book channel group discussion. And the third is online book channel feedback and communication interaction in students' writing process. This made the writing process effectiveness increase because it was supported by the feedback and the communicative interactions among the teachers, students, and the students in online book channel group discussion. And it's the time for us to look at the strategies. The summary of the strategies for improving writing skill from the 3 articles. First is learning management system. Faculty members' way of associating themselves with their students affected the students' ability to learn best in writing course. And the second, materials. The choices of materials were selected as very important by the students as they described the process of learning would be so much meaningful and useful. Select material with a life-based topic such as the relationship between humans and nature. And the third, discussion. Creating a valuable discussion section that allowed them to ask, suggest, and interact with their friends. Feedback activity was categorized as primary section that highly affected students' learning and judgment. Then, feeling nature and writing, environmental education in the EFL writing course. Select materials with a life-based topic such as the relationship between humans and nature can improve students' engagement in writing class. And the last is online book channel. Implementing online book channel is formative assessment. And here are the references of my presentation. Article written by Farista, Prasikawati, and Satyawati et al. I think that's all for me. Sorry for all my mistakes, and thank you for attending this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.